Hi guys, welcome back. In previous section, we set up GRE between site A and site B. In this section, we will secure the GRE tunnel between these two sites. Uh, this adds encryption and protection to our traffic between the two sites. Okay, guys, we set up GRE tunnel between this site to this site. Okay, let me picture it. We set up GRE in this range here on R4 and on R5. Look at here, show IP interface brief. You can see the interface tunnel, okay, and from this server on the site A, we can reach this server from site B. How do you ensure that? Look at here, web server from this site. What is this IP address? IP all 192.168.50.100. Okay, this host, and this is the Zabbix proxy. IPA 192.168.60.100. We can ping from Zabbix proxy to this server 192.168.50.100. You can see the ICMP protocol. The ICMP packet response is okay. From now, I want to capture this link. Okay, this is the between. Okay, this is the our WAN side. I want to ping. You can see the ICMP protocol here. Of course, you can see the GRE header here. Okay, but I want to secure this tunnel. I want to secure this tunnel. I don't cancel this ping. I want to set up IPsec between these two routers, and you can see nothing here. You can see the IPsec protocol. You don't know what protocol in this packet. Okay, let's go. But before that, let me answer this question. Why use IPsec with GRE? Alright guys, GRE creates a tunnel between sites, but by default, as you can see, GRE does not encrypt data. That means anyone in the middle could see the traffic. You can see the traffic, you can see the protocol, okay? Let me do another thing. Yeah, I have telnet here, and here, telnet. I don't have telnet here. Okay, from here, from the Zabbix proxy, from here, I want to telnet this Cisco switch, Cisco router. What is this IP address? This IP address is this router has a lot of IP address. R4, show IP interface brief. You can see 192.168.51. From this, telnet 192.168.51. unable to connect to remote host because telnet was not running on this router. Let me enable it. Of course, I know that telnet is an insecure protocol. You do not have used telnet in your production environment using SSH instead, but I want to show you what the mean of the clear text. What do I mean when I say you GRE is originally clear text, not encrypt any packet, not encrypt any data. Okay, on R4, conft user name, admin, privilege of 15, and secret of admin. Line VTY 0 to 2, transport input all, and login of local. Do right. See here from Zabbix proxy, telnet. Look at here, TCP and telnet. You know that telnet is over TCP, not UDP. But I want to show you something. Let me add username and password. You can connect to this router from the Zabbix proxy. I can connect from this router, this Zabbix proxy, this server to this router, and I can show IP interface brief. I can run this command and any command and go to configure terminal and show TCP brief. I think, yeah, we have an established TCP connection from this local IP address to this foreign IP address, which is our telnet session. Okay, but I want to look the Wireshark on one of telnet packet. I want to show you the follow TCP stream. What you can see: user access verification. Username is ADMIN. Password was admin. You can see all of this. Now you can see all the data transferred between these two sites. But I don't do that. I don't want anyone see our data in the middle. Okay? This is why I want to set IPsec between these two sites. Okay, guys. Come here and exit from this Zabbix proxy and ping this web server here, and you can see the ICMP packet here. Okay, but here you can see the ICMP echo and ICMP response, and come here to R4 and R5. Okay, guys, here I want to set up IPsec. I have done this section before on network repository, on tunnel, here in IPsec, and I want to use GRE over IPsec using IKE version 1 plus IPsec profile here. Yes. Okay, R here and R7, R11 here and R17 here. R11 and R17 here. Okay, after the tunnel creation, come here. Crypto ISOCAM policy 10. Encryption is AES 256 hash SHA-256. Authentication is pre-share, and Diffie-Hellman group is 14. Guys, this is the concept of IPsec behind of our Zabbix course. I want to show you the concept. Okay, I want only to show you the concept. So I'm copying this and come here, and open notebook, R4, on R4, paste here and come here and copy this, come here and this. Crypto IPsec transforms a T-set, and this is the protocol mode transport. Yes, crypto IPsec profile, and all done. Interface tunnel, I think is tunnel 0. Do show IP interface brief. Yeah, the tunnel is 0, and copy this and apply here. IPsec is on. You can see the only ICMP echo was sent because our tunnel is down. Why? Because we set up IPsec in one of our site but doesn't config in another site. Come here and on R5 conf T and apply this here. IPsec is on, and the OSPF neighborship is on, is up, and you can see the IPsec. IPsec is the is one of the protocols used by IPsec, and you can see the ESP protocol. This is our ping. This is our ICMP protocol, but encapsulated in encapsulating security payload, which is stands for ESP. ESP stands for encapsulating security payload. Now, if I telnet from this router, from this device to the router, you can see only ESP. You do not see the protocol inside of this tunnel. Okay? Username is admin and this is password. You can see we connect to this router, but everyone in the middle only see the ESP protocol, which is IPsec protocol. Okay? Alright guys, this is the IPsec. We done the IPsec, and in the next section we want to go to our topic, which is the Zabbix monitoring. From now to the end of this class, we use a lot of Zabbix. From now to previous, we prepared our lab. Okay guys, see you in the next section.